Linked list is broadly classified into three types: singly linked list, doubly linked list, third one circularly linked list. Again, circularly linked list is classified into two types: singly circularly linked list and doubly circularly linked list. So first I'll discuss about singly linked list. So this is the simple kind of linked list which has one link per node. So linked list is a linear collection of data items called as nodes. Here each node is consisting of two parts, one for storing the information, another which holds the address of the next node, the link field. So in this example, the list which containing 3 integer values, so which has one link per node. See, here each node we have only one link which contains the address of the next node. The first node which has the data 10 and the link field which points to the next node. Here it contains the data 99 and the third node which is having the data 35. Here X represents null value or the list is empty here, or this is the final node. So this is example of singly linked list. So as per the name, which contains one link per node. Next type of linked list is doubly linked list. So doubly linked list is also called as two-way linked list. Here each node has two links per node, so that the name two-way linked list. Doubly linked list is a set of nodes in which each node is divided into three parts. Each node is divided into three parts: an information field info which contains the data, next a pointer field forward which contains the location of the next node, which contains the location of the next node in the list, a pointer field back which contains the location of the preceding node in the list. Doubly linked list, here each node is divided into three parts: one for storing information, forward which contains the location of the next node in the list, and back which contains the location of the preceding node in the list back. So here last which represents the value of the final node or the null value. So here it represents the empty list. So these are all the components of doubly linked list: back, forward, information.